Alright, so we just got so we just landed in the JFK airport, or LaGuardia? LaGuardia. We're about to get picked up right now, and we're gonna head over to
Grammy's house.
To Grammy's.
About to eat some good ass authentic Caribbean food.
Apparently she got something cooked up for us, and then we got a quick call at 4 with a potential user of our protocol, and then we have a dinner at 8 with some other people that we're going to be meeting up with, and then you'll probably get to see a little bit of that. But yeah, you want to say any messages?
PPY to the moon.
Huh?
PPY to the moon.
PPY to the moon.
And my thing is, there's so many people who failed in the stock market, so they're gonna tell you, yo man, don't do that, it's no good. For me, my thing is, you have to make an attempt. Hopefully it doesn't break you, and if it doesn't kill you, you build character.
They're all businesses that have their own different business models, and we're all speculating who's going to be the next Google, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix. But if you remember the .com boom, whether you're in it or not, if you had a .com domain name 20, 30 years ago, it was worth $1 million, even if it did nothing. That's kind of where we are right now with cryptocurrency, except I can't talk for everyone. Myself, I'm actually building something that's going to last decades to come. It's not just gonna be big.
Thank you.
So yeah, man, it's Web3. You know, right now we're in the Web 2 world. We have read and write where you can read stuff, or Web 2 like social media where you can write. But Web 3 is read, write, and own. See how I talked about the crypto, or like Bitcoin. If Bitcoin, the protocol, the blockchain is the company, and that's a stock, you're basically investing in that business. Will it go to zero? I don't know. But again, I don't want to be a consumer. I want to be a producer, produce something, and hire people and get jobs. And like you said, go deep into it. And go to universities, teach the stuff, the importance and the basics of blockchain technology and all that stuff. But yeah, okay, everything you're saying, 100. And thank you for telling me about that life advice. I'm definitely going to start tapping into you some more because I'm still learning.
Grandma had cooked us some mac and cheese, or not mac and cheese, just brown mac.
Okay, good.
You know the brown macaroni? If macaroni should use like, I don't know what seasoning you use. I use dill seasoning. It's like steak sauce, and it makes the macaroni brown.
Michael didn't come home last night.
Thank you.
Yeah, no salad for me.
No salad?
I don't.
No salad?
I do.
You gotta get your veggies. I'll take some salad. Thank you. Yeah, so how was the food, bro?
Man, the food was delicious. I actually had a steak sandwich. Or succulent, delicious. The meat was actually like a little spice. So it's almost like a spicy chipotle mayonnaise with some fries and some organic ketchup. Perfecto. Really good. Got to see Matt again. Meet everyone in person. It was super dope, man. So.
Awesome.
Project Pie.
Yeah. How was the food, man? Good?
Oh, the steak? I had the sea bass.
Oh yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Like I eat steak almost every
Chilean
day.
sea bass.
Yeah. Is fish like a popular dish?
Puerto Rico, you know, you would think they eat more fish, but it's mostly pork.
Oh really?
What's the coming like mofongo?
Mofongo.
Like when you lose your phone, you're like,
Mofongo.
Every time you lose that section, then it's so much.
Am I drunk or am I seeing a walking mushroom?
My mind
How's the coffee?
Honestly, the more I drink it, the better the taste gets. It's called a black cherry blossom coffee, I think.
Would you get it again?
No, I'll get yours again.
All right, so we're headed to the hearing right now. I don't know the name of the building, but it's gonna be about like, 50 to 60 of us showing support for Richard Hart, who is the founder of the chain that we're currently building on. And we had to dress up a little bit. Not usually what I wear, but gotta look the part, gotta become professional. But they're gonna take away my phone, so I won't be able to capture anything inside. But I'll do like a little, post review. And I think other influencers are doing something similar, so try to capture their opinions, see what they thought, see if we get any alpha from this. But it's about to be interesting.
Yes, indeed. And the building we're headed to currently is the U.S. District Court, Eastern District, here in Brooklyn, New York. Kind of got something cool right here going on, but there.
Yeah, so we'll see you guys soon. Later today, we don't know what we'll do, but we'll be doing something. First bite. Yeah, so that's the steak, right?
Looks like we're actually gonna have to work out.
Oh, what is this, bro?
So brown macaroni with some, looks like chicken, broccoli, and this is called Johnny Cake.
Oh, this is the Johnny Cake?
That's the Johnny Cake.
Oh shit, this looks good, bro.
Yes, sir.
And we just ate too.
I know, I was saying. I'm coming, Grandma.
When we make it to the top, homie. When we make it to the top. When we make it to the top. When we make it to the top, homie. When we make it to the top. When we make it to the top. Yeah. Broke boys in the Cadillac. Thinking about my work. Thinking about my past. I don't know nothing but being lost it. Lost it on a road trip. I don't ever heart the shit is stolen. Somebody came to home.
My guy, what's up, bro? How you doing, bro? Good? Yeah, I'm good. So this place called Yakitori Toto, and they specialize in chicken skewers, apparently. And YJ is putting me on. Say what's up. But yeah, we're gonna check it out and probably hit up Pocha after.
And we ball like TNT. Watch these hoes all pick a side. Bitches fly like TNT. Every time we come outside, call the Uber SUV. How many gon' fit inside? Yeah. Hide your bitch, hide your wide. Yeah. Bag your bitch in my slide. Yeah. Pray the dogs never die. Yeah. 42 come alive. Yeah. Hide your bitch, hide your wide. I'm allergic to cap, I can't hear these niggas rap without an EpiPen. You'll never see me in Giuseppe. I find them tacky, look what I'm stepping in. Some shit I designed with Italians, calling them Indy 5000s. Or maybe 500, I kick the door down if I wanted it, niggas won't let me in. My career in a nutshell.
Alright, so it's about like, what is it, 7:30 right now?
Yes, sir.
I got home at like 3:40.
Something like that, yeah.
3:40. I'm super.
That was more for me, that was vertical.
Why are you not smiling, bro? Anyways, 7:30, we're at the airport. We're about to go back home. Thought you got like thoughts on the trip?
Successful is worth it. A lot more shit.
Like, what's like one thing that you think was that made the trip worth it?
The hearing of me and the people who flew out, like there's 10 different countries there, bro.
Yeah.
10 different countries. Just meeting people. Met up with this guy. really into GTRs, very high vibrations, and looks like he wants to run validators. I've met a lot of people who run validators. I was talking to someone, his name was Will. He was using David Fetter stuff, and I was just breaking down what we're doing. It was like, okay, well, so what's up? But yeah, I like
Will? Oh.
the tattoo.
Yeah.
Dude look like an actor, the Berserker guy. He's using David Fetter stuff. No, just
What are you doing, bro?
just breaking it down. Exactly, I was just breaking it down to him. It's like I could see it in his face. He's like, damn, I feel like a fucking idiot. It's okay. And then I was talking to Access. Same thing. Talk with Coffee. I mean, talk with Shit Captain. I mean, I'll talk with all the people that I took pictures with.
Yeah.
They all said the same thing. Good luck with your project. Hope the best. A nice little one-on-one with Access. Nice little powwow with Captain telling me to say what's up to Chris. You know what I mean? I mean, people know what's up. They been know what's up. So this is time to just deliver.
Yeah, we got a new idea on how we're about to go on main.
Yeah, I'm gonna run it back with the team when we get back. Probably Tuesday or Thursday next week. Go from there.
But yeah, I think this was a very successful trip. Got to meet up with an old friend. Got some connections out the way. Made some good content.
Jim, old ass nigga who's an investor, and he literally came up to me, got his information. He's like, I got some validators. Like,
Yeah, RG did us a good favor over there. Yeah, definitely will come back. Maybe even think about moving here for like a year or two. But we'll see.
So I'm making always chill at my grandma's house. She get you right.